Right, hello, welcome to the Ed Shed. Now, as I said before in a couple of videos some of you probably haven't seen, bit deflated really after finishing the old 2+2, but not finishing it, but just had enough of it. So, been worried about what I'm going to do next, just to sort of keep myself occupied. And I've sort of been going through my list of vehicles, and it's a little bit of an exhaustive list, as you're probably well aware. But some of them have got more meaning than others, and there's a couple of them down here, 3 of them really, that I actually really like. So, the problem I've got, well actually 4 of them actually I really like, actually 4. This one, this old girl. Now she is a right-hand drive 230SL Pagoda Manual, 1964. And she is a little bit rusty, as you can see. She hasn't done very well for being in here for 10 years, 12 years, and she really does need to come home. So I was going to say, Mercedes is coming home. Oh, maybe not, but probably not on penalties anyway. But basically, it's about time she came out of the shed. Now I don't know whether you can see how bad she is, but she is rusty. This is paint flaking off, because she's been in here a good while. Now I've got a new wing, I've got cross members, I've got blah blah blah, I think I've got made seals out. I mean the back wheel arches are remarkably sound. Boot floor is obviously missing, back valance is hideous, but if I was going to do a Ed Shed restoration, I've got a bit of front wings here which need shot blasting, and I've got some inner wings which I got off somebody. Original colour, possibly blue. So maybe, just maybe, we could have the Mercedes done by Christmas. Da, 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 da. Anyway, so yeah, so that's on the cards. So you can see how bad she is. She's got holes in the floor. She's got holes in the floor. I actually made floor pans for this. I actually did it all. And over the years I've used them. So I feel quite bad. So I think we'll have to say that we'll end up having to do it all again, because I think, but if anybody knows much about these, they will know that these things rust like hell. And this one's very interesting because she had a lot of Los Angeles recycler in the sills. But under that, there was the London Times. So this thing's done the rounds. It's been all around the world. And I have now found it here in my shed again. So you can see, you know, please don't imagine it's as bad as it looks, because it is. It's not that bad. Aluminium bonnet, aluminium doors, aluminium boot lid, and a really good roof. And it's right drive. And I've got the engine and gearbox. The engines at back, gearbox are at home, and they're lovely. So I've got the screen, I've got the interior, I've got all the chrome. In fact, I've got everything apart from maybe the enthusiasm to fix it at the moment, but we'll see. So for now, I'd like to say we'll call a halt to that one there, maybe to be continued, and possibly, if you want to write in the comments, I know I've got a few people that are rooting for me to do this, and I'm hoping that, you know, if they are right, I think I do need to do it, so perhaps it will be the one that will get sorted, or it'll certainly get out of here anyway, and we'll have a look at it then and give it an idea. So, follow us about, look forward to the next one. Bye for now.